That's right.
Me and Joe came out there, and there's a ton of you guys here tonight. Now, can we get the lights down in here a little bit? And if you have a cell phone, light it up. This is gonna look really bland. We're gonna be joined here by a friend of ours. You may recognize her from a song by a band called Panic at the Disco. Her name's Lola. And this is called Just One Yesterday.